Megan here with Invest West Management. If you're a landlord in Clark County, Washington, understanding the eviction process is critical to protecting your rental property. Evictions are never easy, and handling them the wrong way can lead to serious legal trouble and expensive mistakes. Today, I'm going to walk you through the eviction process here in Washington so you know what to expect. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and follow for more property management tips. In Washington State, especially here in Clark County, eviction laws are very specific, and landlords are required to follow each step carefully. So here's a general breakdown of how the eviction process works. First, there has to be a legal reason to evict. Common reasons include non-payment of rent or lease violations. Washington has strong tenant protections, so you can't just remove a tenant without cause in many situations. Next, you must provide the proper notice. For example, if a tenant hasn't paid rent, you typically need to serve a pay or vacate notice. For lease violations, it may be a comply or vacate notice. And for other situations, like ending certain tenancies, longer notice periods may apply depending on the circumstances. Serving a termination notice correctly is critical. Notices must be delivered in a legally acceptable way. This usually means personal delivery or posting the notice at the property. If this step isn't done properly, the entire case can be delayed or dismissed. If the tenant doesn't comply with the notice, the next step is filing an unlawful detainer lawsuit with the court. At that point, the court gets involved and the tenant has an opportunity to respond. If the case moves forward, a judge will decide whether an eviction is valid. If the court rules in favor of the landlord, a writ of restitution is issued. This is what allows the sheriff, not the landlord, to physically remove the tenant from the property if they still don't leave voluntarily. It's important to know that landlords can never perform a self-help eviction, like changing locks or removing belongings. Now, one of the best ways to avoid eviction in the first place is by working with a professional property management company. At Invest West Management, we handle thorough tenant screening, enforce lease terms, and manage rent collection so issues are addressed early before they turn into legal problems. If you want to reduce the risk of eviction and have a more stress-free rental experience, reach us at 360-254-5700 or on the web at iwmrentals.com. We are always happy to help. To wrap this up, eviction laws in Washington, and especially in Clark County, can be complex and are constantly evolving. Always make sure you are following current state and local laws, and when in doubt, consult with a legal professional before taking action. This video is for general informational purposes and is not legal advice. And remember, evictions should always be a last resort. Having a strong lease agreement and doing thorough tenant screening up front can help you avoid these situations altogether. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and follow for more landlord tips and property management advice. See you in the next one.